Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about the test execution in Robot Framework. Now, we can execute tests in Robot Framework basically by two ways. One which we have already seen through the Ride Editor, and that is the GUI format, and the other one is the command line. Now, in the command line, Robot Framework test cases are executed from the command line, and the end result is by default an output file in an XML format and an HTML report and a log report. Now, in order to execute that, we go to the path where our robot test suite file is present, and we give the command robot and space of our test suite file .robot. So let's go back to our Ride Editor and let's try to run the same test case using Ride Editor and then through command line. So here I am in my Ride Editor. So name of our test suite over here is test suite 1, and we have a path over here, C robot projects, demo project, and test suite _01. So I'm going to copy the path from here. I'm going to go to my command line over here. I'm just going to go to this path till demo project for now. I'm in this path now, so I'm just going to do robot space the name of my test suite. So it's test suite _01 .robot. I'm gonna press enter, and you can see over here our test cases have executed. Two of the test cases, four have passed and one test case is failed. So we're gonna look at the reason why this test case has failed, but this is a way that we can run the same test case through command line as well. And this, as you see, it generated an output log file, output.xml. In our demo project, it created a log.html and a report.html. Now let's suppose we don't want to run the complete test suite, we want to run only a particular test case in a test suite. So for that, we have the command over here, robot-t and the test name. So I'm going to give the command over here, robot-t. So let's give the test name as tc02. Let's suppose we want to run this test case, and then we have the name of a test suite, test suite _01 .robot. So I'm going to press enter. As you can see, we have successfully run only one test case among the other test cases in the test suite. Now we have already learned about tags in the test case, and we know that how important are tags when we are running our test cases. So in command line also we can run the test cases using tags. So we can include the tags which we want to run, and we can also exclude the tags. So here is the command for the same. So if you want to include the tags, so we'll type robot-i -include and the tag name, and if you want to exclude the tag, we will write robot-e -exclude the tag name. Now let's try to see which all tags we currently have in our test cases. So test case 01 does not have any tag currently. Test case 02 have a tag by the name login, and test case 4 also does have a tag by login. So let's run this tag login, and by this login test case 02 and test case 04 should run. So I'm going to go back to my command line. I'm just going to copy the command from here, copy. I'm going to paste here. I'm going to include the tag name login. This is my name of the tag, and I'm going to give the name of the test suite, test suite _01 .robot. I'm going to press enter. Oh, it says it's an error, parsing login failed, data source does not exist. Let's look at why is this error over here. Oh, I got it. So basically this is my mistake here. We should not have include over here. I'm just gonna remove this too. And now I'm going to run the same command but without the include. So you see, we have successfully run all the test cases which have the tag name login. Similarly, in this way we can have tag names, and we can do the exclude command and exclude the test cases which we do not want to execute. Now, this is one of the options that Robot Framework provides while running the test cases through command line. There is so many options that are available. So to look at all the options, I'm providing you with this link of GitHub. In this link over here, you can see that we have various command line options for test execution. You can use --RPA for turning on the generic automation mode. You have to see if you want to set the documentation of a top level test suite, you can do that too. There's so many options you can play around. I would suggest go through this website, play around the different options for command line test execution, but the most importantly which we will use is a name of a particular test case or the test cases with particular tags. This is all for this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.